What is Facebook Messenger and how can it help your business? A few years back, Facebook announced that it was launching its new Facebook Messenger service. What was really interesting about this reboot of what was an internal messaging device is the scalability of the new messenger. It can be automated, it can use scripts, and most importantly, it lends itself to bot technology. Usually when people use Messenger, they would click on somebody's profile on their Messenger application and initiate a text, voice, or video chat with them. In this respect, it's not much different from other third-party messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Viber, WeChat, and others. What really distinguishes Facebook Messenger, let's face it, is the fact that it is attached to Facebook. Facebook has billions of active users. It is a gateway to tremendous online visibility. If you want your business to thrive, you need to look no further than Facebook. Whatever interest your business caters to, no matter how arcane, obscure, or little known, there are sure to be people on Facebook who are interested in whatever it is you are promoting. This is why Facebook is non-negotiable when it comes to online marketing. Whether you're trying to generate traffic to the website of your local dental practice, or you provide a national service to people located all over the United States, Facebook can help you market your business. Facebook Messenger is an important part of this marketing mix because it enables you to automate your engagements with people trying to get more information about your business. Facebook Messenger allows for instant communication. When people find your business's Facebook page, they can get basic information like your hours, whether you're currently open or closed, maps and directions, as well as an overview of what you offer to the general public. But you know and I know that for your business to close the deal, there has to be some sort of personal touch. The person seeking your business's service and or merchandise would want to reach out. They may want to get more information, or they may have certain questions that your page simply cannot anticipate. Whatever FAQ you may have up may come a bit short as far as the wide range of questions, queries, and concerns people may have. This is where Facebook Messenger comes in. Facebook Messenger gives you stopgap and catch-all communications options. Unless you have done extensive consumer intelligence, there's really no way you can anticipate all the needs and concerns of your customer base. That's just not going to happen. You need a tremendous amount of resources, time, and energy to be able to pull that off. The good news is you don't have to. Thanks to Facebook Messenger, you can be accessible to people with a wide range of questions and then message them back. Once you detect a certain pattern in the most common questions people ask, you can automate Facebook Messenger so it can answer questions based on a decision tree. In this respect, it's not much different from your potential customers calling a call center. Now, if you own a small business in Middle America, you know that hiring a call center is not exactly within your budget. But the good news is with Facebook, you don't have to. If you set up your Facebook Messenger bot correctly, it can anticipate or it can filter inquiries people have and break it down into finer points so your prospective customers can get the information they desire. If anything, they can get enough information to satisfy them until you follow up and give more detailed and specific information. The bottom line, by using Facebook Messenger and automating it through Facebook Messenger bots, you enable your brand to distinguish itself from the competition. Let's be honest here, more and more American businesses are moving online. Having a website and having a robust presence on social media platforms like Facebook are no longer optional. They are absolutely necessary. In fact, they can make or break your business. This should not come as a surprise because most Americans already have mobile phones. When people have mobile devices like tablets and phones, the moment they think about buying something, they quickly check online resources. The same goes with finding a local source of the merchandise or service that they are interested in. If your business is not part of that mix and is not visible enough online, you're going to lose customers. Now, with this as a background, when you set up Facebook Messenger to engage with your prospects, your brand stands head and shoulders from your competitors. Your competitors might just be unavailable, or people who would otherwise be interested in what your competitors would have to offer would not do business with them because they can't get the information they need at precisely the time they needed it. With Facebook Messenger automation, you can get this information to people interested in your business. If anything, you can hold them with enough basic info until you can follow up with more specific information. This can mean the difference between getting a new customer or turning one away. This can also mean the difference between retaining your current local customer base or losing them to your competition. You don't want to get left behind. Facebook Messenger marketing is the next big thing. It's relatively new, and that's why it presents a golden opportunity for businesses, whether purely local, regional, or purely online, to establish or expand their online user base. Here's a quick rundown, just in case you're still unclear. FB Messenger chatbots bring the following. Users are 3.5 times more likely to open Messenger Update than commercial emails. Saves time on customer service. Offers customer service 24/7. Walk prospects through an automated sales funnel, can lead to conversion. Less customer drop-off since ad opens in Messenger and filters inquiries, which can lead to sales page. Everything is done on Messenger, so you can convert your leads when they are hottest. Use FB Messenger chatbot to re-engage existing customers or prospects, like sending an email to someone who filled out a shopping cart. More direct. Inbound. Event-specific. All these factors add to increased value and qualification of prospects and increases the chances of conversion tremendously. All these factors also increase chances of brand equity, building quite a bit.